Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn how to add a trend line to the line chart. We will select the line icon from the visualization section, drag and drop it to the canvas, then add date to x-axis and revenue to the y-axis. Drill down the visual until the x-axis is days. Click on the Analyze icon, then turn on the trend line button. Now our visual will have a trend line. Thank you. If you want to learn to create Power BI dashboard like this in 15 minutes, then click on the link at the top of screen.